Check out this Dodge 2018 Journey SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, radio data system, radio, 4.3, remote USB port, air conditioning and front dual-zone AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.